Hey everyone, this is Joey with Joey's Balloon Company, and today I'm going to share with you how to build a large balloon arch. Here are some of the things you're going to need. You're going to need to get 3/4 inch conduit from the electrical section in Home Depot. They come in 10-foot pieces and you're going to need to get 3 of them. The conduit has a larger opening on one side so that they can fit together just like this. Next, you're going to need to get some rebar. We're going to need 2 of these in 3-foot sections. I'm getting the 1/2 inch size. Next, you're going to need 2 concrete pier blocks. This is in the gardening section, and these things are heavy. Guess how much they weigh? I don't know, but they're $3.67 each. When you check out at the store, it's going to be close to $70, but don't forget, all of these items can be returned after you build this large balloon arch. First, you're going to take the concrete pier blocks and space them about 15 feet apart. Next, you're going to insert the 3-foot rebar into the hole that's at the top of the pier block. After that, you're going to piece together your conduit and slide it over the rebar on one side, and then slide it over the rebar on the other side, and there you have it, you have your arch frame. Take a look at the concrete pier blocks that I'm using here. I've covered them in pillowcases and tucked the excess under the bottom so that the balloons don't pop when they brush against the concrete blocks. As far as attaching balloons to the arch frame goes, you're going to need about 200 balloons that are 12-inch size. Inflate them 2 at a time using an electric balloon inflator and tie them together, and then once you've done that twice, twist the 2 pairs together to make a quad. You're going to need about 50 quads to complete this arch. For this particular arch, the event host wanted me to include smaller 5-inch balloons as well as larger 24-inch balloons. So to prep my smaller and larger balloons, I'm going to attach a 260 size balloon, which is a balloon twisting balloon, to each of the triplets that I made out of the 5-inch balloons and to the single larger 24-inch balloons. This is going to be a random pattern as opposed to a spiral pattern, so it doesn't really matter which balloons go where on the quad, but for each quad I do try to make sure that I have one of each color. In this case, every single quad that I have has a white, a blue, a purple, and a silver balloon. To start building, slide 2 of the balloons on your quad onto the balloon arch frame and then twist those 2 balloons together once in order to have it wrap around and stay secured to the frame. And then make sure you push the quad that you just attached down so it's touching the quad below it. And again, it's easiest if you take one side out of this large balloon arch so that you can reach the top of the balloon arch as you're building. And then once your balloons start getting towards the end of the conduit or close to the ground, you can slide your conduit back onto your rebar and stand your arch frame upright. When you're finished building, you're going to have something that looks a little like this, and as you can see, my arch is slightly leaning to the right. I'd like it to stand directly upright, but the wind in our case is coming from the back of the arch to the front of the arch, and so I'm going to secure some fishing line to the very top of the arch and then secure the other end of the fishing line to a tree on the left side or the back side of the balloon arch. You can see the arch stand more upright as I tighten the fishing line to the tree. So there you have it, that's how you build a large balloon arch using pier blocks, conduit, and rebar. The only cost for this is the balloons because all of the items that you bought at Home Depot can be returned after you break this arch down. If you were only using the 12-inch balloons instead of the smaller and larger sizes, you could get about 200 of these for less than $20, so that makes this large arch $20 after you do your returns, and you have an amazing decorative piece for your event. If this has been helpful for you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for some more balloon twisting and balloon decor tutorials. We hope this was helpful and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Thanks for watching and good luck on your large balloon arch build.